it is our turn. We also have what we will carry home, not only for today or tomorrow, but for what we shall tell the generations to come. That indeed, when the king of Uganda wedded, when we were not around or not even yet born, the king of Abusoga wedded on our eyes and we were on the ground. That is the arrival of some of the brides and grooms or the family members who are coming in here to celebrate even the life of the Kyabazinga. We need to be very, very much thankful to the Almighty God that indeed He has given the King good and healthy life, so that he has continued to preside over this his big kingdom of 11 sub-counties. He has presided over a kingdom which is just recovering from the many challenges they are going through, ranging from poverty, the poor health system within this region. But the king and his entire team are trying to move around in terms of coordinating and working so hard tirelessly to ensure that they give their subjects the best services they can at least offer to them as a kingdom. With so many financial constraints, you can't entirely blame them that they have not done enough. But this is work in the making. So here at the cathedral, the hundreds who have joined us since morning are almost eagerly waking up from their seats to rise up and receive the King of Abusoga, His Royal Highness William Gabula Nadiope the Fourth. Well, the mood here is also not bad. The sunshine, yes, is trying to shine as usual. But where there is happiness, you can't focus on those minor conditions. We will brave every challenge here in Bugembe to ensure that as UBC, we give you the best of the coverage of these events. This is what we have been preparing for. We have planned for it. We have camped in Abusoga here for almost 2 weeks. We have given you stories in concerns and relations to this whole arrangement. And there is nothing which can send us to our beds today without completing this mission. We will leave Bugembe or Jinja district at large when we will have confirmed that indeed you watch the best moments of this wedding, as we have always promised, that as the national broadcaster, our mandate is very simple: informing and entertaining, and we are doing that without any hesitation, without any compromise. That's why you are also choosing to be our reliable viewer. The king himself is now getting out of the car. William Gabula Nadiope Kadumbula the Fourth. Bana fair bakatubona kumikutu ja UBC ne Star TV tuli wano buti ekinu sikyene kyamulindire uyo Kyabazinga wa Abusoga avireyo mu motoka wa buti kobera abayira virewo ku katini nti omukolo gwe tubayire tulinze wabayira jiro kufuna amadi ayire wano asobola okubaawo baleme munumiza nti ekyali ebugembe wakibona nti ate nali nvirewo okunganjire kunoonya ku lwendo lw'amaadi olwo ninayiranga emikolo giweire emikolo yubise girese mu idiiro lyo. The king is walking in here at Bugembe Cathedral. That is William Gabula Kadumbula Nadiope the Fourth. And as soon as he gets here, we shall formally go on with the formal program and arrangement of this function. At around 2 p.m., we will have been done with this function, probably at 3, and from there we shall... Wow, those are damn things.
Ladies and gentlemen, we shall not rise up as the groom.
Well, the Katukiro of Abusoga, Dr. Joseph Muvawala, is trying to brief the king here before he ushers him into the main tent and also his seat, and later on we shall hand over you to the main event here. As we told you, the Vice President of the Republic of Uganda, retired Major General here, the Deputy Speaker of Parliament was here, Syria, Church of Uganda, his press is here. The king rather is now trying to step forward. I'm not sure that he will first perform the cultural functions of the drumming and some sort of that. But since this is a church event, we will try to see. The king is making an entrance here at Bugembe Cathedral. Oyo no gwolengera ku ntimbe zaffe ye Kyabazinga wa Abusoga William Gabula na Dioke okuna ayingiddewo wano eno okubaawo ku mbaga ye, embaga gye baatuuma eya mweneemu baba wa Abusoga. Emiziro ligiwulira okuva mu bantu ab'endawulo bali kugezaako okumwaniriza wano okubona nti bamwisuusa olugendo olw'enjira gy'abise wonawoona okubona nti atuuse wano. Waire alwire wuuko okutuuka wanaye enjira tebaire nnangu, abantu babaire bangi olw'oniimu bamulwisaamuko okutuuka wano. Aye mawulire amalungi gali wano. Toga is excited. They are waiting to see that moment when the king himself will be tying the knots with the queen. They came in this place in a different arrangement, but they will move away in one convoy, one car. They will go in one direction. They will end their journey at one place, and that is the palace of Igenge, in just a few meters away from where we are. The king is waving to the Abusoga community. You can see the sense of happiness with him. Behind are the princes of this event, and they are also putting on the smiles to ensure that they give the best of their moments, because they will never witness this kind of celebration and wedding again in their entire life, where they are the ones who have made us to stand and sit here for all this long time to ensure that we get. That is the queen the king rather, making his way to the main cattle, where he will be assuming his seat as the Kyabazinga, and from there we will begin off with the events. Abantu basanufu waneeno bonabona abali kuba ebifaananyi amasimu batoyireyo, buli muntu tali kwenda kusubwa katundu n'akalala koona ak'omukolo guno ogwa mweneemu. Enduulu eri awo ndikwenda buti oba ekyama waliwo
Abakyala ali awo.